What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com, and we got another trade review. It's the trade of the day, and today it is CEI. Now, again, this is another energy stock that popped yesterday and did not participate in the trade yesterday, but what we did do is we looked at it today to see if it would have an early morning follow-through. If you know what to look for, these stocks can give you some insight as to what they're going to do the next day based on a really big pump. So yesterday there was a massive uptick in price action, and today we suspected that it was going to potentially have a follow-through day based on key levels being breached. So today on CEI pre-market, you can see that price action was ticking higher, and the tape was showing that CEI actually was going to have an early morning follow-through, and that's exactly what happened. Now, we're sitting on the 1-minute chart, and you can see right through here the price action opened up, pulled back, and then rallied. It was actually in this little area right through here that we decided to get long, and I got filled on this particular position at about 90 cents. And I ran 90 cents all the way up into this first pullback of 134, and when it pulled back, I sold my position and closed it at $1.20. So you're seeing about 30 cents of movement in 13 minutes. This was a very quick play. It was based on the fact that yesterday was a huge day and the move clearly wasn't done. Now, I got to forewarn you that these stocks are very volatile. If you want to learn how to trade these successfully and consistently, by all means reach out. We can have a conversation as to how to get in front of these stocks and how to trade them properly. Now, today, CEI was the trade of the day. Again, I was in at 90 cents and out at $1.20. That took place in a 13-minute window, and this stock is still moving. You can see on the day it is up just over 80%. The market's still open. There's still room for this thing to fly. And I just wanted to share what I did with you guys today. So if you have any questions about CEI, please reach out to the team, email us, and contact us and ask us how do I get in front of these trades. I'd love to show you. CEI, JLewisTrading.com. Thanks for watching.